Middle MCU.
I'm Angelica Hayes Bilbo.
I am Maricar P. Bragat, and we are the third year of the Bachelor of Technology in Education Students, Section A. Today, we are going to make a new trend in handicraft, which is the punch needle. It is very easy, fun, and fantastic. So what are we waiting for?
Let's start!
Here are the materials needed in punch needle embroidery. First, the yarn, embroidery hoops, the fabric or cloth, the punch needle, the needle threader or the wire as an alternative, scissor, pencil, and the pattern. Step. Stretch the cloth tightly on an embroidery hoop. It should feel as tight as a drum.
Ating guntingin ang ating pattern. Ilalagay na natin siya sa ating fabric. At gagamit tayo ng masking tape. Kailangan na natin gumamit ng iron. Iron natin is nasa high heat siya, which is mainit. Press lang natin ng press.
In the third step, put the cut pattern into the cloth. Then trace the line using pencil, or you can use permanent marker.
In threading the punch needle, first, insert the wire thread up through the hollow stem of the tool. From the pointed tip to the end of the handle. Catch the end of the yarn and pull it down through the stem. Then, insert the wire threader through the eye of the needle. Catch the end of the yarn and pull it through the eye of the needle. And now, our punch needle is threaded.
To get started, stretch the monk's cloth tightly in the hook or the frame, which is filled as a drum. Hold the punch needle tool like a pencil, with the open slat pointing in the direction you are working. Push the sharp tip of the tool straight down through a hole in the monk's cloth fabric. pull the short yarn tail to the front side of the work. You will pin this yarn tail later. Then, insert the tool all the way down until the handle touches the max cloth. Then bring the tool back up until the tip of the tool is even with the top surface of the fabric. Now, we'll make the first stitch. To make this next stitch, move the tip of the tool a short distance along the surface of the fabric. Don't pick up the tool too high off of the max cloth. Instead, try to graze the surface of the fabric with the needle tip. Start your project by working the outlines in a shorter stitch with 6 stitches per inch, and then fill in the shapes with a slightly longer stitch in about 4 stitches per inch.
To change direction or turn a corner, rotate your needle in the down position, where direction you are working. You can also rotate in the embroidery hook if that feels more comfortable to you. Then continue filling in your design following your pattern. In this part, we will put another color of yarn. To change yarn colors, fill in the other part, or thread your needle with a different color of yarn. Insert the tool. Pull the yarn tail to the loop side of the work. And continue filling in your design.
It's always okay to make a mistake. If you make a mistake during punch needle, just gently pull the thread up from your fabric and punch again. To apply finishing touches, just trim all the excess yarns from front and back. You can also push the looping yarns so that it stays flat.